Let's go to Jade Lee Paulso, also in KwaZulu-Natal in Durban. Also spending the day looking at buildings on fires and traffic jams for people going to loot. What's the situation where you are, Jade?
Francis, the situation is getting very volatile here. I'm just going to ask Norman just to show you. Just down this road over here is Queen Nandi Drive, and if you come up this road, you come up to Newlands East. Now, community have been stationed outside here. They're actually burning stuff just to keep these looters from coming into Newlands East. I'm going to try and speak to them and just show you on your visuals as well. If Norman can just show you what exactly is taking place here. So I see that you guys have been stationed out here at the corner just before you get to Newlands East. You told me off air that you're concerned about the looters coming into the area. Tell us why.
That's correct. We got told by SEPS that there's like about 5,000 vehicles out there and they want to use Newlands East as a thoroughfare. So this is why we are barricading this area, and we also want to keep our Newlands East area safe. If you look on our right here, there's builders, there's Diesel Electric, there's Samsung. They've already raided these places over here. Now they want to interfere with our ShopRite. And that's the last place that in Newlands that they want to get. So we're holding the fort and not allowing anyone in and out of this area. So that's why we're barricading the area and not letting anyone in and out of this area.
Okay, you told me that there's a ShopRite inside here. What other warehouses or shops are inside that they could possibly target?
No, it's only the ShopRite that we currently have now. Okay, but there's also the bosses. There's also the Nanda Square that we have. But we've got the other crews out there that are holding the fort out there, and they quite good as well with what they're doing. So we've had a lot of guys last night trying to come through, and they've made several attempts to go and operate the ShopRite. But what they actually did was they actually got right with the Shell garage there by us. They looted the Shell garage. But fortunately, the owner was generous enough to give us some fuel today. But other than that, the guys on that side are holding the fort as well.
So obviously you're taking this into your own hands, and I see this happening in several communities here in Durban. Do you feel like the police are doing enough in the community?
No one's going up.
Well, the SEP just came and advised us now that they that there's no police that's going to there's going to be no police that's going to be in the area now. They've just got about 5 guys only in the station, so we're basically on our own. There's nothing that they can do for us. We believe that the army is in Nandi Drive, at the entrance there at North Coast Nandi Drive section. But when they get to us, we don't know. Basically, we're on our own.
I also hear a couple of women's voices as well that have now joined in on this, and I just want to see if I can rope in a lady here. Ma'am, you've also joined in on this community little forum that's taking place, and I've seen this across many communities. We were in Chatsworth and Phoenix earlier on today. Just tell me, why are you here today? And as a South African citizen, just watching this all unfold, how are you feeling?
Look, we've got kids, small kids at home. We've got homes to protect. We don't want looting in our homes, and that's the reason why we're here, to protect our communities. That's basically the bottom line. It's just about protecting our people and our community.
Thank you very much for sharing your views. Well, Francis, while some people are here just protecting their communities, as she said, in Phoenix and in Chatsworth, many people are saying that they're running out of food. In as much as Newlands East has ShopRite, there are places that don't have any shops and are really struggling. Francis, I'm going to leave it here and just leave it here, and we'll come back to you again. I'm just seeing some of those looters coming up this way. We're going to see if we can't just move out of the way here. Thank you.
Do move out, and yes, set for a confrontation there in Newlands area. And earlier she showed us just in another direction the amount of cars trying to head towards warehouses, trying to fill up with goods, and then the people in Newlands saying they will not use that street as a thoroughfare. They're going to block that. All right.